Hey everybody, let's talk in this video about real-time database. Firebase provides real-time database. That means you could have some value, for example, message. I want this message could be updated between different users. So if Hussein updated, other people, Alex could see this value automatically. This is what doing for us database. So if I go to database tab, see this part for the database. There is no value, no keys. The database here working as key and values. If I click here, I could add my key. For example, let me add key, name it message, MSG. I could give it default value, hi from Firebase. Okay, so this is fire. That's correct, fire RA base. So I add key and value. You could add more. What I mean by that, this database, real-time database, working as key and value. You could add many keys and many value. I just have now one key and one value on it. Now I want to read this value. If I say go to document, see I just go to Android here, get Android. It's really easy to work with database here. Also, one thing you have is just this setting that already you have to do it, that's already added. But if I go to the database here, database part, introduction, if I see, I go to Android, I just make sure Android steps. Always I'm looking for Android because first of all you say add this line to your app compact. As I told you, you have this project will be configured as the first time when we did Firebase. So first time what we did, we just added this line and this line as app, and also we added this line as top level, this line for Firebase. So make sure your application already configured with that with Firebase. So now I will add this line here, and I just synchronize my project. Taking time and to synchronize it, I just go down here. You say, okay, to set value, I could use this one. Okay, I would go back here to my project. Let me suppose I just having simple layout, and in layout I have message. So let me suppose I just adding two things. I would say I'm having just one button, and I also have one text view. I will not do a lot with this and a lot change. If I go to the design, I will say, okay, my button will be bu get, and as a text, or get or set get. Let me name it set because I'm setting the value. Okay, set the value in the database. So also this one will be, I will remove, I will not add anything here. I will say this, name it txt msg for the message, and this one button click, have some button click. I will say, okay, on a click, when someone click on it, please call bu get. Okay, if you see I don't have this method, do you want to implement it? Yes, go ahead, just make sure stop on top of it, then do it create. He create this event for me. Now I want to access to the text view, so make sure you just first initialize it here, text view g. Then I will go down, I will go initialize. I will say, okay, text view msg, I'll call something for text view. I'm doing initialize for that. I say find view by id r.id dot text view, this one as message. So yes, here we go, just initialize it. Now I want to set the value to the database. I have the database here. I want to, from the phone, I want to change this value. Okay, how could I change it? Really easy, by that two line that I copied before. I just place them here. If you see, I'm using database. First of all, I just create database instance from Firebase. Then you say, okay, what instance I want, name it myref. So what is the name of myref? You see here, what I name it, this key in the database, I name it MSG. So when you call it in the code, you have to call it in the same way that you send it. So I send it MSG, I call MSG. So I'm getting value, I would send the value for it. I will add value from text view message dot get text, then to string, just on hey, I will set this value. So this is how I set the value. Then how I could get updated value, how whenever anyone update that value, I will read it. If I go down, if I go to the document, you will see here is it, this is the code for reading. I will say, okay, I would use this code. Let me take them and go back to Android, and yes, I will still in same place. I'm talking with same reference value. I'm doing listener on it. Okay, let just me implement this missing part. Also snapshot, he doing some missing part. Let me just do the missing, then I will display something. This for error. If you want to display error, I don't want to display error initially. Now I just want to get the value that we have it. I want to set it also to my reference. Okay, here you go. I want to set it to my text view, not my reference. So I say, okay, text view messages dot set text. So that's great. I will set this value. Do you know what? It's really amazing. So now whenever anyone this mean okay, anyone when you click on button, he could update the value of message in the database on remote host. So and here, so anyone could update it, and anyone could read it from his device. So whenever anyone update this value, I will get sense, I will get it here. Because I'm accessing to remotely, so just make sure you add internet access here, just permission. That's good. And one last thing, if I go to Firebase, I cannot now access to it because I need to change the rule. If you see here is the rule, I need to update it. So now I need to change something here in the rule that I have there. So the rules for read, I will change it to true, like anyone could do it. So I will say true. I want to just change it to public. And here to the right, I will say true. What does that mean? That means anyone could read and write to the database, because here you could specify, okay, I want only authorized people could write. Now I don't have authorized, and say, okay, anyone could read and anyone could write. Before I'm doing, finally, I think I did something wrong. I don't have to use text view. I have to use edit text, because I need someone to edit to the value, not reading only. So just I make sure change it from text view to edit, because yes, I'm reading, I want something to read write, not only read. So just make sure this one change it to edit and this one to edit, and make sure edit text so you could it be updated. So why is not updated? So yes, here you go, edit text, adding it. That's good. Yes, now I have it. Now let me just run it. You see, I don't have any value. I cannot read the value from the database. Do you know why? There's no problem, but until now, if you go to the here for your code, I did not, this code is not fire up. This is right in the button. Must someone click on the button so I could set it. So let me say, okay, hi. If I click OK, send, he will set the database high. If I go to the Firebase, have to change it to the high. If you see, he changed it to the high. Now if I here click right good, okay, I say rare, see, he updated directly on the database. Not only this one, if there is any other emulator is working, he will get the updated value. If let me say hi, I say, okay, for example, hi, I will change it to the high. See, this one get the updated value. If this one say y, okay, he updated. He will be updated in both, and anyone in the database and anyone who listened to this value. And this is great. Thank you for watching, and see you next.